You're watching UNICEF Television. It's been an extremely difficult year for children living in the earthquake-affected regions of northern Pakistan. The 7.6 magnitude quake left 75,000 people dead and 3.5 million homeless. 1 year later, survivors continue to grapple with rebuilding their lives. The earthquake struck just as children were starting their school day, which explains the high number of young casualties.
At the time of the earthquake, I was in school. All of a sudden, we felt the tremors, and all the girls started running out, and I followed them.
UNICEF and its partners were on the scene with emergency relief shortly after the disaster struck. It distributed pre-positioned emergency relief, including blankets, high-energy biscuits, and basic health supplies, to earthquake victims quickly. UNICEF has been providing safe water and sanitation facilities, as well as health care throughout the earthquake zone. It has also provided and equipped thousands of tent schools to make sure children complete their education. UNICEF and its partners created child-friendly spaces with recreational facilities and psychological support for thousands of children affected by the tragedy. Even before the earthquake, many of the affected mountain communities here did not have proper health, education, and social welfare facilities. UNICEF, in cooperation with the government, is committed to change that by building back better.
We hope that the quality of all these things, the quality of schools, the quality of hospitals, the quality of roads, and the quality of life would improve to a great extent once we are done with all these programs.
Since March, UNICEF has shifted its emergency relief operations to focus primarily on the new and more difficult task of rebuilding. Much work lies ahead to help earthquake survivors, especially children, resume their lives. This is Sabine Dolan reporting for UNICEF Television. Unite for children.